2 seconds everywhere, pause. Shut down. Then get money. If not, we say people who borrow money never pay me back. Who be done with it? Then they grace. They never tell you say I'm sponsor na government. I go broke.
They are making their risk too cash, don't mind them.
So my name is Titus. My name is MC Passion. I'm a comedian by condition. This country they change destiny. One of my friends studied law. Now for Lagos, they work for Loma, dustbin. The day I see and the park dustbin, I shock. I said, why will you study law? Now you're working with Loma. He said they're related. Loma. Like you know, they judge case for dustbin. So things that happen for this country. I don't know whether I need to enter online. No. When I know you say flood carry Enugu airport. When I know you. No, go book and say won't go Enugu airport. You know they land anywhere. Flood carry the airport. They don't get airport like this. Are they inside plane where they go Enugu? No be joke. The rain they fall. You don't shift the airport where plane go land. Now we reach Enugu. So Nigeria say they fear there too. Especially when they get business to sign. As we don't reach Enugu, from the tower, I don't forget to record that thing for all. Now they don't tell pilot, say they don't see land. Say the wrong way. Flood don't carry on. Now the pilot they announced to us, yeah, please, ladies and gentlemen, please, we will not be landing at Enugu Airport. We're having a problem with flood. The plane cannot land there. We're very sorry. We'll be going back. We'll be checking, and in the next few minutes, we'll turn and call the control tower in Lagos and go back to Lagos. Igbo man, they never go back. One Igbo man, they read newspaper. You are going back where? A hostess, what is that stupid pilot you're talking about? So we are going back where? Sir, please, we had a case with flooding. We can't land. I'm looking at Enugu, you're saying we can't land. Because we don't come up for cloud, we look at Enugu. Just Negodu. I'm here looking at Enugu, you're saying we cannot land. You better know what you're doing now, because we are going to land. He says, sir, if we crash land, it may crash. Let it crash today. Let it crash. Just Negodu. No, you better go and bring parachute, because I'm coming down in Enugu now. I don't know.
Don't mind them.
I've told you people, I'm a stand-up comedian. I'm just acting as Bicycle Boost. That's exactly what you are saying. All we needed to do is go and shout, how dare you? How dare you? Infringement, it will be enough. My brother, when you don't explain, you can't tell your question. Which case? He said they just arrested Bobrisky last night. What are you doing? What I won't go to for Bobrisky matter? Am I doing it? What am I going to do there? There's nothing I can contribute in that issue. I'm very happy. I'm not going to crack this joke for Lagos. All these comment section people will not get work. Oh wow, did he really just go there? No, he didn't just go there. Oh well, I just wanted 5 minutes of my time. For your boobs enlargement, please call 080. They're always enlarging things in this country. Please, I want to advise you. Because not only for this country, you go as a Nigerian, you won't travel abroad. You go online to buy ticket, or you go counter and say, you go price how much ticket to London. They go tell you. Business class, 1.9. You go say, what? Just to fly? Are we going to the moon first before we get to London? They say, no, sir. It's just that. Okay, what comes with the business class? No, sir. They give you food. Oh, just because of buff? 1.9. Do you know how much is land? I will try that. They say, sir, the other options. What else do you have? They say, sir, we can use premium economy. It's not too much. It's 1.1. You are still calling 1 point. I'm just going to London. Is it not 6 hours? If not for time, I would have driven down there. I have a new car. Okay, sir, there's economy. How much is that? West side economy is 450. Is it the same London we are talking about? I mean, if Abuja is 35,000 if you book early, if you multiply that by 6, I'm just counting. I'm this mass. I said, sir, there's toilet seats. How much is toilet seats? 125,000. Give me 2. What's all this? Now, you know, say Nigerians will stubborn. You know, some people there here now, the regular ticket, they buy the price. How much is your ticket? They tell you, you buy regular ticket. Now you know say you get some kind of place you enter business class not go full. You go say you know say they'll come leave you, they'll come off flight. You go say they don't finish body. Typical stubborn Nigeria. We just want to enjoy. You want somewhere not reap. We don't dodge go sit down. Then the remaining passengers, economy class, they will come to look and say, I know that Nigerians will gossip. They say, this guy, not possible, not possible. This guy not fit in. You go call the sort it. The thing would pay them. They consider for economy, they look you. That's why I never close the curtain. I lie. This guy, I know this guy, not fit now. Not fit. That's the way they grant the drag change just not from Gala. No. Nigerians can gossip. Now, when they want to close the curtain, you see Nigerians, hey, leave that curtain, excuse me. There's something happening here. Sir, can we see your ticket? Now you're calling for, please, can I talk to you man to man, please? Sir, your ticket. You bring your voice down. We're all human beings. We're all human beings. You don't know where I will help you tomorrow in life. You will never see me life, idiot. Bring your ticket, sir. That's what I'm saying. Can I see your manager, please? I mean, it's kind of, I know my seats. Okay, off flight, I will go back. It's fine. So we need you to stand up now. Okay, I said I will go. Calm down now. My family members are here. Calm down. When they're off flight, I will go as if I'm going to peace, please. Okay, you know what? Don't give me the food. I won't eat it puff. Just let me be a man in peace. Sir, flight I said, sir, can you please see? That's what I'm saying. That I lost the ticket. So from the manifest, just 88C, that's the toilet seat, sir. Bah! The long walk of shame will come start. Because they pass Nigerians with the picture, I'll tell you now. When you don't hear toilet seat, people go say, how far, welcome. We don't wonder whether there you go take before. Thank you for having me, guys.
Don't mind them.
Sorry, my Nollywood stars here, our proud Nollywood stars, every one of them represented themselves. And can you please put your hands together for these superstars making us proud in Nigeria, home video industry, the La Pista. Comedians never see you, Abby? No, you have this night. No. You be a robber now. This night. You get real bad, you get real comedians go talk. Your real character for film go come out. As I talk, Gentle Jack, my elder brother, they laugh. Vulgar. Gentle Jack, first film we make him popular. The only thing he talk for the full film. Afide. For pressing iron with them go man. That time. Afide. The next film, when they want to add vulgar, they say no talk. Just do boom.
Don't mind them.
And the devil will be falling and say people they smoke. Like my friends there talk about Igbo people they smoke weed and all that. You don't notice say for Lagos where they smoke, they play music, all them Burna Boy song. How would you like to smoke something? What I call ya? Then they play music. Now who they smoke, now they sing. And a gospel song. You see person go sit down there, you they we are a chosen generation. I know who I am. Who are you? Port Harcourt. My friend come from Port Harcourt, he has smoke, come meet me for Lagos. One night he come visit me. He said, oh boy, I want smoke. I come carry and go where people they smoke. Meanwhile, before, you know say if your friend come visit you and you start to drive, you go on tell you, boy, man, drive. If you say no, you go be like say you get pride. So you come, smoke finish, now you come the drive. Me I sit down for passenger side. Full express, stop for Chevron roundabout. Come down, throw back flip, enter car, begin drive. Now look and say, oh boy, why you stop? Come down, throw back flip. He said, oh boy, since why they drive, my mind they tell me say I not fit do am. I just say man stop, man fuck am up. Your mind. Oh boy, leave it go. Oh God. They say made in Port Harcourt. You don't know they say Port Harcourt language, our slangs they different. Now pictures say our governor we dey now maybe now one of the boys there where they Abai works out. Just picture am like that now. Normally, if commissioner fit reach government house now, you go see machine wey dey there. I say 19 a year, I don't know. The machine dey there now, they will slot card. Commissioner for what? You go enter. Picture say our president na that kind, na one of the boys then. As he reach there, machine dey there on normal, but now the machine go ask the person question. Who goes? There you go see commissioner. This is me, commissioner for works, aka road go better. They hear me, machine go shout, no be child, it's jassing. For you. About wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, as I go Lagos, I get one pastor, one man of God, say he will come Port Harcourt call preach. Of all places, now Okochiri. And you know, say Okochiri, they are own the slangs deep way. So the pastor now come need somebody who could interpret for him to the boys. Now, wait, advisor, you want to preach John 3:16. Now, pastor be this, now me they interpret, now the boys.
Amen.
Somebody say no,
Let's go to the book of John chapter 3 verse 16.
But man, I open on a Bible to John 3:16.
For God so loved the world.
I say God treat us me.
And he gave his only begotten son.
Now he calling smaller, a boy, lap.
That whosoever believeth in him.
Say anybody we anchor and rocket leave.
Will not perish.
They no blow and shot.
But have everlasting life.
But you can say to infinity.
Amen.
No.
Don't mind them.
Also, may they know you still take class, carry your wife pass you, come to say na governor pass you.
Money when we get
Anyway, this will not be everybody great singer. The money when we get no go free, not who get 2 million.
every time.
Why am I running? Now you serious?
You don't even know.
Anyway, also low, may they not go use your teeth do open up for family meeting. My papa say anybody when go buy poison, call they wait, may they give and change. He never make up his mind to die. Now, I just go back. David, where you go? Yeah, one of the successful Urobo boys, doing well. Only 2 movie night though, I get 8 house. And they gossip before Ogelio. You know, say when I travel the last time, they ask me, not be Lagos today. I say yes. Not be Lagos David day. I say yes. What did they do apart from the movie? I say I don't know, but I just play me the no cash out. Wait. I get 2 minutes. Now, let me advise you. Lagos, let me tell you about Lagos. Lagos is the only place where you see people have problem. I advise people that have the same problem. I believe Lagos. Now Lagos, you see person buy native 800. Tailor go swan 400. Stasha 6,000. With the wakala who scorpio bite the armpit.
Cause my papa love me down,
Wait till Mona here, you see this life? Everybody go make an attitude different. If you want call me. Which one is the delay? Bring am. Wait, $100. You dey follow me? If I dey back, DJ wait. So you senior. What you get? Oh, yeah, lead the way. See, Anna, you dey run MC. See who you senior. 8 years old. My son is in Port Harcourt. See, Ogami, you be keep quiet. If you dey keep quiet, for don't go far.
Seems like you're left trouble. One night to me, another night trouble. Only know the today, only know the tomorrow. You be
Oh, yeah, wait. Now, when I dey grow, now my papa tell me, say, if foolish person keep quiet, they'll just say, get sense. Now, I mean, most problem when they get, now when you talk, you dey get problem. Ogami, no say the daddy man, no fit advise you. Say man, a joke, I don't know your real work. Thank you.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you own your own label. Do the X-ray.